Good morning, students. See, I'm writing few fractions for you. 3 by 10, 7 by 10, 9 by 100. All right. Now, what do you understand by seeing this? See here, all the denominators are in terms of tens. 10, 10, 100. That is multiple of 10. If I write down 27 by 1000, it's again a multiple of 10. All right, so here any type of fraction which is having the denominators in tens or in multiples of tens can be converted in a different type of writing number that is known as the decimal number. So for this 10, okay, we put this decimal sign now. So we'll be studying decimals today. In this decimals, deci stands for tens. That is 10 or multiple of 10. So any fraction which is having denominator 10 or the multiples of 10 can be converted in a different type of writing number. This type of number is known as the decimal number. So 3 by 10 can be written as 0.3. 7 by 10 can be written as 0.7. 9 by 100 can be written as 0.09. Now, how we got all these decimals? See here, when we are putting this decimal sign for the tens here, in tens how many zeros are there? 1 0. How many digits here? 1 digit. So after 1 digit, in place of 1 we will put a decimal point. 7 by 10, 0, 1 digit here and then 1 digit here. So after 1 digit on the left hand side we'll put a decimal point here. Now here 9 by 100, there are 2 zeros here. So there is 1 digit 9 here. So on the left of that we will put one extra 0 to make up the places here. So after 9 I'll put a 0 and then for the place of 1 we have put one decimal. Similarly for 27, for these two zeros there are 2 digits, so we'll write down 7 and 2. For this 0 there is no number given here, so we'll put another 0 to cover up these 3 places. These 3 places are covered, so for this one we'll put a decimal and then 0 here. This is how we all are writing the decimal numbers. Okay, I think it's easy for all of you to understand what is decimal number. All right, now how to read out the number? This is given 0.3, so it's easy for you to say read out 0.3. But if we have to write in words, we have to write in words. All right, so if it is given to us 1.3, so how we will write down in words? 1.3. 1.3. Suppose it's given 2.07, so we will write down 2.0 and then 7. So this is how we will be writing in words. Now the same way, if we have in words, then we can write down in the decimal form. Suppose the question is given to you 3.45. all right, so we'll write down 3.45 here. Is this clear? This is how we will be writing the decimal numbers using the words and using the numerals here. All right, now after this we will be doing the place value. So what is the place value of the decimals? Now place value, suppose I give you a number 12. It's a whole number. So what is the place of 2? Ones. What is the place of 1? Tens. Everybody knows all these things. Easy. Now what I am doing, I am giving you another number. 12.37. Okay. Now see here, decimal number is there. Few digits on the left, few digits on the right. The numbers which are on the left, the decimal left of the decimal number, are known as the whole numbers, and the digits which are on the right of the decimal, see this is the decimal part and this is on the right, so which are on the right of the decimal numbers are known as the decimal part or the decimal numbers. or the decimal numbers. Okay, so for the decimal part we have the place values. So for this 12.37, this is ones place, this is tenths place. Everybody knows this. Now for 3 we have the place tenth, for 7 we have the place hundredth. We have the place 100. So in the decimal part, the places will be having th with it. Remember, if we will not write th, marks will be deducted. So this will be wrong. So we have to write down 10th, then 100th. All right. So for 3, that is 4.3. What is the value? 3 by 10. So we call it as the 3 tenth. So this is how the place value of the number is given. So this is 3 tenth, this is 700. Like this we have the place values.